There's potato rolls, you want some of them? Any would you want pudding? There's potato rolls, there's lemon meringue, there's some Eton Nest ice cream.
Potato rolls. Please, can I have potato rolls? Okay.
Josh, do you want any pudding?
No thanks. I'm good. Okay, wait. No.
I took them off.
That's the end. That's the end. That's the end. I said that's the end of the video.
Honey, that better be a video that is a good video for you.
Huh?